Hi there traders, and welcome to the final daily recap show that will be free for the US session yesterday. These reports and the recap videos will become a subscription based service as of Monday. If you would like to continue to receive them, please comment in the box below, come subscribe to the Keyzone service. The link is in the box below, where you'll get the special launch offers for our new pro trading services, which are professional trading services from a professional trader myself, where I will be giving out exactly what I'm looking at every single day in the markets. Now, if you don't choose to join us, that's absolutely fine. I hope you found value in these reports, and I hope they've added value to your trading. And don't worry, I will still be giving out some bits of information and some tips and advice. So please keep an eye on my YouTube channel. Please keep following me on social media, and I'll still be giving out some great value to hopefully add value to your trading. But on to the yesterday's reports. These were the reports on the S&P. These were the zones of reference that we had. We said initial resistance on the S&P was at 39.92 to 4,000. And support today comes in at 39.48 to 39.56. So let's go and have a look at the S&P yesterday. Okay, so as you can see, the market opened, and we moved straight back above that. So these reports came out fairly early. Yesterday, you saw we did come down into these zones of support in the pre-market session. As soon as the market opened, we pushed back above them, and then we held that 39.92 4,000 zone as resistance. Unfortunately, there wasn't actually a reversal pattern in there or signal, so actually there wasn't really much to do yesterday in the markets. We had a little bit of chop around here, a few bits and pieces, but you can see it's just chopping. We wasn't looking to trade from these zones either anyway. So unfortunately, actually, there was nothing to be done on the S&P yesterday. Sometimes the markets are just like that. It's best to wait and wait for the better opportunities to present themselves. So that's the S&P. Now let's go and have a look at the Dow. Okay, so these were the zones of reference on the Dow Jones that we had. We said aggressive support on the Dow was at 34,100, 34,140, with further support at 33,925 to 33,975. We also said if we sustained breaks above the initial resistance, we had initial resistance at 34,270 to 34,320. So let's go and have a look at the Dow yesterday. So as mentioned, these reports were sent out earlier in the day. Actually, these London lows should be down here. So let me just adjust that. I didn't trade yesterday afternoon, so we had these. We had this push down into the further support zone. We said aggressive support was at this zone here, but actually by the time the market opened, we were down at the further support zone at 33,925 to 33,975, and you can see as soon as we opened, again, we just pushed straight higher up into that 34,100 to 34,140, which could have provided resistance. And actually there was a little bit of a reversal signal just there. Not the best against a trend, really impulsive push there. And as soon as you saw the reaction from the 8 moving average, that should be your warning sign as well. So potentially people could have got short there. It's not a trade I would have taken myself, especially in the range, in the middle of the range with this overall bullish. I would from here I would have been much rather looking for a breakout and then a pullback to get long from this zone. And as you can see, we didn't quite get that pullback deep enough there. We did push up this initial resistance zone at 34,270 to 34,320, did produce a reaction there. Again, I would have wanted some sort of liquidity grab up here, so not necessarily a trade I would have taken this one. That's quite a nice reversal candle, but again, against the overall trend, not taking that liquidity out from that, which was the previous day's high, not a trade I would have taken. And after that, again, nothing really to be done in the Dow yesterday. So unfortunately, not a lot in the way. Certainly nothing that I would have taken myself. I would have been looking if this pullback here had come down into this zone, then I definitely would have been looking for something like that. But other than that, nothing really there that would have I would have suggested was really high probability. So not much to do. As I say, thank you for your support. Thank you for showing an interest in these reports. I hope you have found them useful. I hope they have added value to your trading. If you have joined our new pro trading services, where you're going to continue to get these reports, I look forward to continue working with you. And if you don't, as I say, I will still be giving out some value into our social media channel. So please keep an eye on our YouTube channel. Please follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and I'll be giving out some great tips and advice, as well as some analysis on other markets on there. So I hope you have found these reports useful. I hope they've added great value to your trading. And like I say, if you have joined the pro trading services, I will see you on Monday. Cheers.